This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for February 29, 2024. It's currently December 18, 2023, 9:18 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $471.97. That's USD. And the shuffle video for the February 29th reading was created on December 5th, 2023 at 9:16 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this video here in the corner. So the overall theme of behavior for the 29th, we have multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. We also have the truce card here on the 29th of the 1 month for the 1 month, and we see the truce card here at the end of the day. So there's an important resistance level that's highlighted and multiple failed attempts to break through it. Behavior around the high, we have a prominent move higher through key resistance. We stay above it briefly, and then we break back down through it with a full retracement of the move higher. Behavior around the low, we have a nullified success card. So we may successfully turn resistance into new support around the low, but it's nullified, making it kind of hard to read in this case. Also, the trade card is nullified as well. Not very helpful. But before we go any further, we're going to get into the day-by-day chart behavior here, or the hour-by-hour chart behavior here in just a second. But before we do that, I want to make sure everybody's aware. You could watch this video as early as December 19th, 2023. If you had early access on our website, which you get here under our services, SO Meta Posts. Right here at the top, early access, click here to subscribe. $29 a month, $249 for the year. Great way to support the channel. Thank you to all of my supporters out there. Love you guys. You really help out the channel. And also, guys, the whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. You do that here on the resources tab of our website, Tarot for Traders. 5% of the profits from every profitable trade using this information should be donated forward to one of these charities. Click here and donate. 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel through one of these links. Just click here and donate. Thank you very much. Great way to help out the channel and say thank you. And it leaves you at 90%. Make sure to spend that money out of love. The universe will consider you an angel investor for doing so. And it'll send it back to you tenfold for following through on those rules of karma. Blessings to all my angel investors. So in the pre-market, we have this decline that offers an opportunity to open up a long position or close a short position. Probably right at the open, we have this notable like decline into the open, and there's this big move out of the open from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range. Three pokes through the same price level, followed by a sharp drop in that first half hour. Sharp drop takes us into a low between 10 and 11, and out of that low, we have a big move higher, probably like out of oversold territory, a big move higher that'll stand out on a one-day chart. Rally increases between 11 and 12 along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meet a second resistance, then falling back to somewhere between those two price levels, and we kind of have some mixed behavior near highs. Probably see two crests here between 11 and 12. Mixed behavior between 12 and 1. Three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. Third crosses to the upside, taking us into a near overbought crest that we sell off from. Near overbought crest around 1 o'clock. We sell off from it. After a notable move into it, we sell off from it pretty notably in a period of volatility there between 1 and 2 o'clock. Trade opportunity there. We'll look at it a little bit more at the end of the reading. And there's an overbought crest or peak that we sell off from pretty notably there between 2 and 3. There's a fake out in the last hour. Be cautious, or be mindful of that. Yeah, so I think probably there's like a decline around around like 310, 315. Probably a sharp drop or a sharp decline there, kind of faking us out before continued movement to the upside, where we have that resistance level highlighted at truce. Important resistance level, multiple failed attempts to break through it. There's a poke through it momentarily, and then a break back down through that same price level shortly thereafter, creating a high for the day at the end of the day. And the sneak preview for the first trading day of March, an important technical price level on a multi-day scale, on a 1 month chart scale minimum, will be highlighted. So I would look to close out of a short position here. Right at the open if there's a good profit. If I miss that opportunity because there's this big move pushing the upper end of a range higher, I'll wait for another drop here between 10 and 11. I'd also want to open up a long around the same time I close that short, and close that long here when we have this peak around 115-ish. And there's some other trades in there, but I'll have to look at that in more detail when I have the March dailies done. That's SPY for February 29, 2024, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings to all my angel investors. You know where to go. You know what to do. Thanks again. Blessings to all my angel investors, and thanks to my supporters. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll see you guys next month.